I'm going to show you exactly how to make a business card in Canva using a simple step-by-step method. This is perfect if you want a professional-looking business card that matches your brand, even if you have never designed one before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and type business card into the search bar. Scroll down, and Canva will show you a variety of templates you can choose from. Here's a quick tip. Choose a template that aligns with your branding or the industry you are in. For example, if you work in a creative field like graphic design, social media management, or content creation, choosing a more visually unique template can make your card more memorable and easier to recognize. Once you find a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. When the design opens, start customizing it to fit your brand. Add your logo or name on one side of the card, then place your contact information on the other side. Make sure everything is clear, readable, and well balanced. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout as needed until your business card feels aligned with your brand identity. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now have a clean and professional business card made entirely in Canva. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.